can't consume their milk without having a spoonful of Horlicks, Bonvita or Complan, and now turns out some of these brands are up for sale. While Complan's sale has recently concluded, companies are now making a beeline for Horlicks, which belongs to the British major GSK or GlaxoSmithKline. This is the kind of revenue that the company delivered in India last year, 4,200 crore rupees. And if reports are to be believed, companies are willing to pay anywhere between $3.5 to $4 billion for the Horlicks brand. Now that puts the expected deal valuation at a little over 6.5 times of the EV to the FY18 Horlicks sales. Now, if we compare this with the recent M&A deals that have concluded, it just sort of puts it somewhere in the middle of Paras Reckitt, wherein the valuation was at 8 times, and Complan Zydus, which was relatively more reasonable at 4 times. Now, why this valuation? Well, do remember Horlicks is at the top of the charts when it comes to market share compared to a Bonvita or compared to other brands. However, look at how the market share for this one has been falling from 47.2% in 2015. Now it has about a 43.3%. Not just that, it's growing slower in an industry that's also slowing, which means that it's growing slower than the industry. Pull up what exactly the health food drinks category has been doing, and you will witness that the market, that the revenue growth has been declining from 13.2% in 2014. Expectations are that the industry growth will slow to 3.7% between 2017 and 2022. However, there are companies that are willing to snap this one up. First up, why does Horlicks make sense for Unilever? The company has been active on the M&A front for foods. Of course, they want to expand their emerging market segment to 60%. The top line of the foods business, in case if Unilever does able to capture Horlicks, will go past 60%. So it's going to be a big fillip for the food segment, which up until now has been not majorly contributing. Why Nestle? Well, first up, it would be a good strategic fit because it already has the Milo brand, which is not very strong. And with Horlicks, it would catapult Nestle to the #1 position in the category, so it would boost Nestle India's portfolio as well. However, at the end of the day, who's going to be first and who's going to be the most active in grabbing that glass of Horlicks? Well, I suppose only time will tell.